Hi everybody, Kevin from the Awareness website. Got this week's video of Awareness Tai Chi, a little bit of repeat. So it's going to be moves 83, 84, and 85. Left brush knee, needle at C bottom, and fan penetrates through the back. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Okay, so this week we're doing a little bit of repeat. So gives you a bit of a break from trying to remember what's coming. You've already done this move, and in fact you've only done this sequence once, and this is the second time it's done, so it's only done twice in the set, unlike whip to one side and stuff like that. So I think it's 27, 28, and 29 were the same moves. So same sequence, so we'll go over it, probably stuff you've heard before, but it's good to kind of look into it again, and maybe you'll see something different, maybe I'll say something extra or different or whatever. And I just want to mention, we've been getting emails and comments from people and stuff, and it's just wonderful. It's amazing how many people seem to be benefiting from the videos, improving their Tai Chi, moving on, learning stuff that they hadn't been learning before, which is wonderful. We got an email from a lady when I was in the Caribbean. She was out there, she'd never done Tai Chi before, never seen Tai Chi before, but she jumped in. We were doing the workshop and some classes, and she was learning like crazy. And so she's gone home. She's from Chile, so she's gone back home, and she is practicing like crazy, following the videos and moving on. So I just want to say congratulations, good on you, Anna Maria, and keep going. So, and anybody else is doing the same thing, just practicing on their own like that, way to go. Best thing you could be doing. So hope to see you guys all again soon out there in the Caribbean and whatnot. So okay, so let's get on with the moves here. So we're going to take it from the Stork Spreads Wings, and we're going into the left brush knee, and then we're going to do the half step, needle at C bottom, and then fan penetrates through the back. So from here you're standing up on the right leg for Stork Spreads Wings. You drop the right arm, opens up, comes up, palm up behind you, and load into the right leg, so you can step out with the left. The backhand comes through, and you push out for your left brush knee. Half step, so the back foot steps halfway up, stand up, turn to the right, open, and then the hands come together in front, the arms express, and then press down to the toe, push up, get your balance, relax into the right leg, step out, and fan penetrates through the back. So not a lot of space required for this, so you can do this in your bathroom if you need to. But don't confine yourself to there. Do it wherever. So a couple of things, and I'll do it facing towards you so you can see what I mean. When you go into the Stork Spreads Wings, you place the toe, but you're sitting in this leg. So my hips are at the 45 in line with my front toe. When I step in, I keep to that 45, I push from the right leg, and I square to the front, I turn forward. Then I turn the hand, drop the elbow, and then I turn and sit back down into the right leg, and then I can step out. So again, don't get into swinging the arms around. There's no point to it. Just keep it connected with the body, the feeling of the turn of the body. So as you come up, as the arms center in the front, the body turns to the front, and then it relaxes, and you turn and you spiral down into the right leg. Step out, and then you turn to the front, hands are centered, and you push out. Now when you go into the needle at C bottom, the back foot just steps halfway up. So in the same position, the same 45 degrees, it just moves up halfway. But notice I don't pop up to bring that foot in. So you want to, when you get into the brush knee, so here you relax down, step, let the body come up, and then relax down into the left leg. This foot, as the right arm expresses out, it kind of almost pulls that leg in. And then you can push up into it. But don't pop. So you're sitting here, as this arm expresses, this foot comes in, but stay in the sit. So then you can load this leg and push up, turn to the right. If you pop, so you come up like this and bring the foot in, now there's no more connection with this leg through the rest of the body. So now all you're doing is flailing the arms around. So try not to do that. Try not to come up here and then, oh, my arms go here. Try and keep it connected. So you want to relax into that front leg, foot comes in, and then push from that leg, and that expresses up. And then the body turns forward, the hands center, arms are going down. Now notice I haven't started to dive into my needle. You want to get the arms expressing so that the spine will be behind that expression. If you come up here and then dive down, now again you've lost this connection. So you want to get the arms going, and the spine follows down. The legs are expressing. So the idea, did we talk about this in the last video? The idea of what the needle at sea bottom means?
I don't remember.
I should have checked.
You can still remind him.
Okay. So the needle at sea bottom is a point in the back of the leg. And it's a very deep acupuncture point on the meridians that this kind of a stretch. So when you come up here and you stretch down, this is stretching this meridian here, opening up this meridian. So needles can't get to it. So the Tai Chi, the way of going down with this move will actually help to open up that part of the meridian, the sea bottom. So this is needle at sea bottom.
And I know you have mentioned it somewhere, but whether it was the last video or not, I don't know. So. And it doesn't matter.
And the other description, of course, is push needle, and if you look up, you're going to see somebody's bottom. So don't do that. Don't look up. So when you needle down, the hands turn, they start to go, the spine, so the head drops down too. Don't try and hold the head up. Let the head drop down, the legs express, and then to come back up, you push from this toe to start. The hands will come up, and as the arms get up and the body is upright, you push from the right foot to come up. Get your weight into that leg so you can relax back down into it so you can step out with the left again. Then the hands turn forward, the right hand goes up, and the left hand goes out. So again, from the forward angle, just to see what happens. So when you come up in the stork, you're going to come up, you're going to turn left, drop the arm, turn right and sit down, step, turn to the front, you're going to half step, up and turn right, hands come together, the arms express, turn forward so your spine is straight when you go down, push from the front toe, hands come up, push from the right foot, you turn right to sit down, step out, turn forward to express. So you end up squared to the front again. And this upper arm lines up with the back leg up through the spine and upwards. You don't want to be kind of pushing it in front of the face. You want it to line up from the leg through the spine and upwards. So it's kind of keeping that line. You don't want it pushing forward. It's opening up here. So again, lots of details. Some of it we've already gone over. But it's repeat. So It gives you another chance to play around with it and take a look at it again from maybe a new perspective, because maybe you've learned some stuff in some other moves that'll help apply to all of this. So I think we can probably go into some follow along now. So we'll start from the Stork Spreads Wings and go through the sequence as though you're following me. So we'll take it from the Stork Spreads Wings. So we're in the first part, both feet at 45, pushing out here, as though you're up against the wall. So you're not turned into it, you're turned to the 45 this way. So you're going to bring this toe, the left toe in. You're going to turn forward as you stand up, turning to the left, turn to the right, open the arm, sit down, step out, brush knee to the front, half step, push up, turn to the right and open, hands come to the front, needle down to the toe, push from the left toe, push from the right foot, sit down into the right leg, step out, turn forward, fan through back. Okay, let's do that again. So Stork Spreads Wings. Pressing to the side like it's up against the wall here. Place the toe, turn forward, turn to the left, turn to the right, sit down into the right leg, step out, turn to the front with the brush knee. Half step, turn to the right and open, hands in front, turn to the front, straight spine as you go down, push up from the left toe, push from the right foot, turn to the right 45, sit down, step out, square to the front with fan through back. Okay, let's take it from a sideways view. So we'll go this way. So place the toe, up, Stork Spreads Wings, sit down, left step, left brush knee, half step, push up, turn to the right, hands in front, spear down with the right fingertips, push from the left toe, push from the right foot, turn to the right, sit down into the right leg, step out, fan penetrates through the back. Okay, one more time. Stork Spreads Wings, place the toe, push up and open. Drop the elbow, open up the arms, step, left brush knee. Half step, push up, hands in front, needle down, let the legs stretch, push from the front toe, push from the right foot, sit down into the right leg. Fan penetrates through the back. So, practice lots, and again, send us all your emails and comments and stuff. Love to hear from you. Like us on Facebook, check out the website, subscribe to the channel. Easy, easy peasy. Okay, so take care. We'll see you. We got some more moves coming to you next week. See ya.